In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a Windows 10 bootable pen drive using Rufus. So first of all, we have to download the Rufus software. So let's type Rufus and you can see the first website www.rufus.ie. We have to visit there. So let's click on it. After that, we are going to download the latest version from here, which is 4.5.exe. You can also visit their other version, their older version, by clicking over here, or you can just go back and click this link of downloads. You can find each and every version that they had released in the past year, so you can see all the release date and the size and the version details over here. So we are going to download the latest version, which is this one. So let's click on it and it should be downloading over here. So it's downloaded now. So let's open this. This is the file. So before installing or before opening the software, we are going to put our pen drive that we have. Okay, I'm connecting my USB drive now. So let me just show you. This is my USB drive, which I created Ventoy previously. The drive name, drive letter is F. So let's go to the downloads folder back and click on it. Okay, now it's open. So first of all, as you can see, it's already selected the USB drive, which I just recently entered in my PC. So make sure you selected this one. After that, we are going to select the ISO file. So I do have the Windows official ISO file in my system. So I'm going to select this one, Windows 10, and open. Okay. Once you do that, it will scan the image for a second and then you can see the other options like image options. You can select the standard Windows installation or Windows go to go options. You can select the partition scheme over here and the target system. If you want to use UEFI, you can use this, or if you want to use the another version, you can use their older versions over here. So you can select that thing. This is the level. You can select volume level, means the drive name which is appearing over here, it will be renamed. So I'm going to write Windows 10. Okay, file system will be this. Then we are going to click on the start. Now it's asking for the Windows user experience. You can make some changes before installing. It will use an unattended like XML file to change it. So you can see, like, if you want to create a local account, you can check over here and put a username and it will create a account with this name. You can select the other option also. You can select the disable the BitLocker, so it will automatically disable the drive disk encryption option and the other details. So I'm going to not select anything and press OK. Now it's asking us that make sure your device don't have any data or it will be destroyed. So make sure you copied each and everything from your pen drive. So I'm going to select OK. Now it's saying that this device contain multiple partition. Okay, the pen drive I used, it's already Vento installed, so it has multiple partition. It's going to delete that, so press OK, and it's deleting the partition. And now you can see it's formatting, so it will take few minutes to complete this file depending on your CPU processing power and your size of this particular ISO file that I have selected. So it's about 5 GB, near about 5 GB. So it will take some time to install this thing. So let me pause this video and I'm going to continue once this whole process is done. All you have to do is wait. As you can see, the creation of the bootable pen drive is now ready. The Rufus saying that the status is now ready. We can use this, and it took me about 18 minutes 40 seconds. As I previously mentioned, it totally depend on your computer processing power and the pen drive you are using. So if you are using a USB 3.0, then it will be a bit faster. So this is how. And if we go to this PC, and as you can see, it's showing Windows 10. So you can use this pen drive to boot your computer to load Windows 10. So if you find anything helpful from this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you.